Okay, I figured I'd save you guys the boring stuff. So this will be my recovery tank. There's different ways to plumb this. Hold on, let me get you these instructions. Catch can, recovery tank. Wham, wham. Yeah, so all I'm doing is I just put the fender up just to make sure that I'm in the right place. Just drilled 3 holes. I bent these brackets up a while ago. All I did was take flat angle iron, bent it in a vise with a hammer, drilled the holes, painted it, done. So it's not rocket science, pretty short. But you know, sometimes you just need someone else's view to show you what to do. So all right, back to it. So that's it, it's in, nice and stable. Can't really see it from over here, so yeah. Got the line in, goes around and under. See, nice and stable. Gotta run this. I think I'm just gonna run a line over to try and dump it somewhere in the center, so it's not right over my tires. It shouldn't get that high anyways, and there's a window so I can tell how high it's getting. So yep, that's it, man. Thank you for the support like usual. Like, comment, subscribe. Get back to it.